It's a real thing. It deals with his confidence. It deals with the man in him. What kind of man am I? We are so judgmental on ourselves, and it's not even good for us. But what do you make of this?
Except I listened to the gentlemen. I like how they were narrating their stories. They're talking from their heart. Because there's something that I observed, especially to the gentleman that is next to me. Enye yezinto abezenza ngiyacabanga ukuthi he was more focusing on his business and then kanti endlini kuyalimala. It's one of my mistakes that is wenzayo thina as business people. I'm in business as well, and as an adult, Tina, we are more focusing on the business and our career to establish our businesses and to tell ukuthi ekhaya your spouse we are heteka kancane. One, our this card about job fair and card. So it's a natural thing. The amadoda I believe let me push. At the end of the day, I'm a man. Remember this thing of being called we are men is from our forefathers, and it's a generational thing to say indoda fanele ivuke, indoda noma liyadumizulu, noma liyanetha, noma liyashisa, kodwa indoda fanele ivuke. Khona amadoda avuka driver ama-truck and long distance, and now they do want to rest, but I can't rest because there are those people that I brought them in this world, and now this person finally amongst their her friends, indoda provider or something, and I'm a daughter emotional. Something that I was listening to my brother next to me, mentality we don't want to cry, we want to talk. It's a lie. I'm a daughter, they do want to talk. I'm a daughter, they do want to cry, but we are lacking of platforms where we can cry and we can talk out what we are experiencing, because we are experiencing things. Now we are not rap, we are only rapper. There are things that hurt us, but we do want to talk. It can be M17, so I'm a daughter, they want to cry, but we are slowing down because what we are tigers. I'm happy we find such platform like the forum. Let's talk, let's talk out as a daughter, let's cry, because if you can see the stats of gender violence, the stats of men that are killing themselves. I'm talking about on my travel here, I was listening to the news. This guy has killed himself. Somebody hanged himself yesterday. Who are those people who are killing themselves? A daughter, it's us. If you try to isemathuning, if you try to nowadays, and you have abantu abane talent, abanama gift, and Tina as a majita, we don't want to sit like as we're sitting at the forum and to talk all day. Listen, you make Damendin young shy, you make Damendin agunand, and there's a pressure with young competition hambang says if you hambang a post, finally Yomisa SNT, and while I can't afford and I'm holding 4,000, they live in Amadota in Abang because of the pressure. But again, we were told with our forefathers, Maskula, Masizala, Obutis Namato, Utinga Spome, Izuluduma, Namalianeta, ukuze sibe ngama-provide nathi sinenyanga.
I mean, ngiyakuza mention ama-Sentin, nama-Porsche, nama-Range Rover, nama-what omkhulu bethu bebaney'nkomo nje kuphela.